You just sort of take your your description of this, and you say, well, what happens if I cut those threads of entanglement? What happens
if we cut some of them,
take the left half of the hologram and the right half of the hologram, and I remove the entanglement between those two sides? There's an effect. You remove entanglement in the hologram, and then the space-time starts splitting up. And you can actually imagine even more than this, that you got a ball of clay, and you're pulling it apart, and it's getting further and further apart, and the middle is pinching off. And so you could keep doing that. You say, well, what would happen if I took away even more entanglement, and took away even more entanglement, and then in this model, now you've got your space and it's split into 4 pieces, and I've still got a little bit of entanglement, but I'm going to take that away. And what happens in this description is that the big, nice, empty universe that you thought you were describing just splits up into millions of tiny bits. And once you've got no more entanglement there in this description, you've got no more space-time at all. And so you get to, if this is all right, you get to this incredibly dramatic conclusion that maybe you've just understood what space actually is, and it's actually fundamentally quantum mechanical, that space is somehow a manifestation of quantum entanglement in the underlying hologram system.
There's this beautiful possibility that we may actually get insight into what holds space itself together.